Every year, supplement brands lose months of development time and tens of thousands of dollars because they signed with the wrong manufacturer. Most of these problems were avoidable. Here are 5 things you should verify before you sign. First, their cGMP status. The FDA requires every supplement manufacturer to follow current good manufacturing practices under 21 CFR Part 111. Someone saying we're cGMP compliant isn't proof. Ask to see their FDA inspection report, which is called a Form 483. If they've never been inspected, that's worth knowing. And if they were inspected and received observations, ask what they corrected and how. A manufacturer who can walk you through their inspection history is one who takes compliance seriously. Secondly, how they handled identity testing. We all know how much consumers care about what's in their product, and they should. Section 111.75 requires manufacturers to verify the identity of every dietary ingredient before it goes into their product. This is where corners get cut most often. Ask specifically, do you run identity testing in-house, or do you rely on the supplier certificate of analysis? A supplier C of A alone is not sufficient under the regulation. You want a manufacturer that runs its own confirmatory testing or uses an independent lab. Third, their quality control structure. This is key. Part 111 requires dedicated quality control personnel with a documented authority to approve specifications, SOPs, and deviations. Best practice operations keep QC organizationally independent from production. Ask who their QC lead is. Ask when QC last approved their standard operating procedures. Ask to see a redacted batch production record so you can evaluate their documentation discipline. The quality of their paperwork tells you more about their operation than any facility tour. Fourth, third-party certifications. cGMP is the legal floor, not the ceiling. Look for third-party supplement GMP audits from programs like NSF. These certifications mean an independent auditor has reviewed the facility against a published supplement-specific standard. Not every good manufacturer has one, but if they do, ask which standard, when the last audit was, and whether you can see the certificate. If they can't produce it, that tells you something. Fifth, production transparency. Before you sign, ask for a sample master manufacturing record for a product similar to yours. The MMR defines every step of your production process: ingredients, quantities, equipment, in-process checks, and final specifications. A manufacturer who shares a redacted MMR is showing you how they think about production. A manufacturer who won't discuss it is asking you to trust them without evidence. These 5 checks won't guarantee a perfect partnership, but they filter out the manufacturers who aren't ready for scrutiny. We publish a full verification checklist in a searchable directory of assessed manufacturers at inventoryready.com. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.